Everyone wants to know the same thing. What are the best stocks to buy right now? But here's the truth. The biggest winners aren't always the stocks making headlines today. They're often the companies quietly dominating industries that power the future. Take artificial intelligence. Every time an AI model answers a question, massive data centers and advanced chips are working behind the scenes. Which means companies building that infrastructure could benefit from one of the biggest technology shifts in history. But AI isn't the only opportunity. Cloud computing, cybersecurity, renewable energy, healthcare innovation, and digital payments are transforming how the world works. And many of the strongest companies in these sectors continue to grow even during uncertain markets. Here's what successful investors often look for: strong revenue growth, consistent profits, competitive advantages, and products people use every day. Because great businesses tend to create long-term value. But here's where many investors go wrong. They chase hype. They buy after a stock has already exploded higher, and they sell when fear takes over. Meanwhile, disciplined investors focus on quality companies and think in years, not days. That's why some of history's biggest investing fortunes came from holding great businesses through market ups and downs. The goal isn't finding the next lottery ticket. It's finding companies that can keep growing for the next decade. Because one great investment decision today could potentially make a huge difference to your financial future. What stock do you believe has the biggest potential over the next 10 years? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to MoneyVia and tanmarket.com for more simple money tips on wealth, stocks, financials, and more. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest breakthroughs. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making decisions.